Hey y'all, it's Stephanie with CKC. I am, excuse my early morning look, but I'm getting ready to do some local Shark Week You've Been Chomped packages. So we've got a few things that we're doing. I found some books online that I'm going to give to actually my Girl Scouts. So but I just finished making shark bait with my kids, a shark bait snack. So I was just going to share that with y'all. Hey Mallory, hey Melissa. Sorry, hold on. Let me see if I can flip the camera. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we are using this Boom Chicka Pop. Do you want to say hi? Okay, go over there. You can see.
Hi.
There's Taylor, my little model. And my other one. Come over here. Come over here, bud. And Colton, my boy model. Okay, and you can see it's a little crazy over here. Hi, Kylie. So we are using this Boom Chicka Pop, the sweet and salty kettle corn. Good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Dana. So we use that there. I got a big, huge thing of it at Costco. Actually, it was buy one, get one free the other day. So I got that.
And Swedish fish.
And we got the Swedish fish mini tropical fish. Okay, that's too close, buddy. Thank you. And these sour octopus. So I wish I was still laying in bed. My kids have been up for at least an hour and a half now. So anyway, we put it all in a baggie. You see it? Sorry, the color's kind of off. Put it all in a baggie, and we're calling it shark bait. So one of the little sweet and sour octopus and the sweet and salty popcorn. And there's some, can you see it? Yeah, there's some of the little Swedish fish in there too. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. You want to say bye?
Bye. Bye-bye.
Okay. So anyway, we wanted to share that with y'all. We're going to make another treat later. I'll come back on later and I'll flip this around. Hi. So I'll come back on later and show y'all the other treat we're doing. And I hope y'all will, we'll have to I got the candy gummies at Dollar Tree, actually. So it was cheap and easy. But anyway, we'll come back on later. I hope y'all are enjoying Shark Week. We've got some blogs and some fun stuff, but I hope y'all get involved. We have the printables. I probably need to post those on our group, but you can chomp people locally, or you can share with people in our group. You can send patterns. You can send credit for patterns, whatever you want to do. It's just to spread some love and have fun with it. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.